Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Apple TV subscription. First, sign in with your Apple ID and confirm your payment method in Settings. Open the Apple TV app, then choose the subscribe or try free option and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. If prompted, enable family sharing to share your subscription. Keep your device software updated to avoid interruptions and check receipt emails for confirmation and plan details. To subscribe on an iPhone or iPad, open the Apple TV app and go to Watch Now. Tap the offer banner, choose your plan, and confirm the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After subscribing, verify your plan in Settings under Subscriptions to manage billing or cancel when needed. If you want family sharing, invite members in Apple ID settings so they can access the service immediately. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your ride smelling great while you binge shows on Apple TV. It's a small thing that makes commutes more pleasant. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you like it, pick one up. Now let's get back to the video. On an Apple TV device, open the Apple TV app and find the subscription banner on the main screen. Sign in with your Apple ID when prompted, select a plan, and confirm the purchase using your remote and on-screen instructions. After subscribing, visit Settings or the App Store to review your subscription status and manage billing. This keeps your library and recommendations synced across devices for a smooth viewing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.